Hello friends, welcome back to another cooking episode on Shobha's Food Mazaa. Today we shall be making a Mediterranean dip called hummus but with a variation. We are going to add beetroot to it. We had made the simpler version earlier, you can check out that video also. And we are going to use homemade tahini paste which we made last week and the video is up there. You can check out the recipe. Nothing can be better than the homemade fresh tahini paste which is the key ingredient in this dip. So let's proceed to make this flavorful dip and serve it with pita bread. It's really very healthy and light snack. It's perfect for your parties. When you entertain friends, dip is something that everyone prefers. So shall we?
Beetroot hummus, a very delicious and a healthy dip. Enjoy it with pita bread. For this we'll require chickpeas or chana boiled. I have soaked it overnight and boiled with little salt. And here we have a small beetroot boiled, peeled and cut into pieces. You may also use roasted beetroot instead. Olive oil 4 to 5 tablespoons or as needed. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder. Little salt to taste. And here we have taken homemade tahini sauce or tahini paste, which is a key ingredient for this, about 2 tablespoons. Now we are going to transfer all the ingredients into the grinding jar. It is must that you soak the chickpeas very well and boil it. Only then you get a nice and perfect texture of hummus. Now add the beetroot. Make sure you take a very small one. When you add too much beetroot, the hummus becomes deep red, which we don't want. Add little salt. Be careful because we have already added salt to the chickpeas also while boiling. Roasted cumin powder about half teaspoon. Leave the remaining for garnishing. Homemade tahini sauce 2 tablespoons. Check out the link. I've posted this video already. Make it at home and use it. It's anytime better than the store-bought one, as this is the key ingredient in this. Now goes in the olive oil, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Lemon juice from 1 small lemon, which is about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. You can add as per your liking. Now grind everything together, adding 2 or 3 tablespoons of water, not more. This is how the texture is. If you want little runny, then you can add 1 more tablespoon extra. I prefer a thicker hummus. It's ready to serve. Now we can dish it out. Perfect texture and color. Lovely. Spread it out evenly. Make a small well in the middle and along the sides. This is for pouring oil. Extra olive oil. Always hummus, they add oil on top. Now garnish with little roasted cumin powder. Quick and easy dip makes a lovely party snack. Now some red chili powder, or you can even add chili flakes if you like. Delicious. Make and enjoy it with pita bread. This is my favorite and I'm sure you are going to love it too. So do give it a try and share the feedback with me. You can also check out the Falafel Recipe. That also pairs very well. It makes a complete meal when you serve hummus, pita bread and falafel. I'm sharing the link in the description box and I button. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and also click the bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload new videos. We'll be back soon with more recipes, interesting recipes. Bye until then. Take care. Thank you for watching this video. You may like to check out these videos from the archives as well.